And most importantly, guys, is if you ever expect somebody to invest into you, then you've got to be willing to invest into you first. And if you don't even have the confidence to do that, then why would you expect somebody else to be confident to do that? Williams Wealth Creation Coaching is no joke. We have packages that range from $3,000 all the way up to $60,000 for the year. So I get people asking me this question all the time on, Spencer, if you like helping so much, if you like building businesses so much, why not do it for free? Or how would I invest into your coaching once you help me get my first couple clients? So I'm going to tell you guys why we don't do this for free. Number one is people who pay do better. Number one. Guys, number two is people who pay are serious. Number three is people who pay take notes. And number four is people who pay actually change. People who don't pay and won't pay, they don't do anything. It attracts the super successful towards me. People who actually want to get success are willing to pay. Number two is it allows me to build a community of wealthy entrepreneurs because they're serious, so they took action. Now I'm building a community of wealthy entrepreneurs for future business. You're not going to keep doing business with me. You're not going to invest into Williams Wealth Creation Coaching if you don't have money and you don't have confidence. And most importantly is, guys, we're trying to change the world. We want to see a change in the world. So guys, people who pay, they do better. People who don't pay, they don't finish the program, they drop out halfway through, they only do half the stuff they're gonna do. Long story short, they just don't value it. And coaching is no joke. Starting a business is no joke. I've invested over $100,000 in 5 years of my time to even be in this position here today. To have my program, to be able to teach my program to you guys. And what I've got here, if we didn't put over $100,000 into myself, probably not. I attribute a lot of my success to what I've learned over the last 5 years. And all of my coaches, my mentors, people who helped me grow, people who helped me develop, look at myself in different ways, people who taught me the right way to do things. Guys, it all costed a lot of money, but there's still hard times. And I wouldn't have pushed through the hard times if I wasn't invested. If you want the business, if you want the money, the freedom, guys, if you want what people don't have, you have to be willing to do what people don't do. You're probably gonna have to work harder. You're probably gonna have to invest more into yourself and your skills. And most importantly, guys, is if you ever expect somebody to invest into you, then you've got to be willing to invest into you first. And if you don't even have the confidence to do that, then why would you expect somebody else to be confident to do that? Invest in you so that others will too. My name is Spencer Williams, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.